Welcome to another episode of Real Estate Talk. I'm Wente, a realtor with Better Homes and Gardens, Greene, specializing in the Spring, Texas real estate market. And on today's episode, I have Chase Fontenot, and he's with Gibraltar Insurance. And I brought Chase on to talk to us about insurance, the difference between insurance companies, what his is different than Allstate and State Farm, and some other questions that we typically ask. So Chase, tell me a little bit about Gibraltar Insurance and why Gibraltar Insurance and how they're different than Allstate and State Farm.
Thank you. First off, thank you for having me today, Jill.
My pleasure.
The difference between Gibraltar and the big name companies like Farmers, State Farm, Allstate, companies like that is the fact that those companies are actually what is called a captive agency, meaning they can only offer one product as far as home, auto, what may have you. With these companies, they only have one policy to offer. With Gibraltar, we have 40 different companies, A-rated companies, that we can actually write through and give you the best possible option, not only to assess your needs, but to also get you the best price possible.
Well, fabulous. Chase, so that means that when I'm out there, I have a property under contract, and it's time for me to get insurance on it.
Yes, ma'am.
So then that I can give you that property address, and you can compare it against all these 40 different companies and figure out which one's going to be the best for my needs?
That's exactly correct. All I have to do is just get a little information about the house, the client, and from there I can take off and get you as many quotes as necessary to give you the best possible options.
Fabulous. Okay, so my other question then is, as far as, since you can quote 40 different ones, and we're comparing that against I'll call it the brand names, the State Farm and the Allstate. Is there a price differential between those other companies that you can quote in State Farm, Allstate?
More than not, yes. There is always a price difference as far as what we have to offer than what they have to offer.
Okay, and what about the coverage? Is the coverage the same? Am I going to be able to get the same coverage and spend less money?
Yeah, definitely. Usually when we quote against people like State Farm, of course, we're comparing apples to apples in that case. State Farm, of course, offers what in the insurance business is considered an HO3 form. We are able to compare apples to apples with their policy and get around about the same coverage, if not better coverage, and still beat their rates anywhere from saving you hundreds of dollars a year to thousands of dollars a year.
Fabulous. So I guess as far as one of the benefits then that you would offer a potential home buyer is that they can make one call to you.
Yes.
And you can shop all these different companies for them.
Yes, ma'am.
Versus if they're calling against State Farm or Allstate, they're having to make all kinds of different calls. So it's like you can save them money because you're doing the work on the back end.
Yes, ma'am.
And potentially save them time and money.
You got it.
Okay. That's another episode of Real Estate Talk. I'm Jill Wente with Better Homes and Gardens, Greene. And you can reach me at 281-804-8626 for any type of real estate questions. And you can reach Chase
at 281-869-3738 or by email at chase.fontenot@ghfs.net.
Thanks for watching this episode of Real Estate Talk.